Hello everybody. My name is Adarsh Yadav, and currently I am pursuing BTech from a college in NCR region. The B10x tool helped me a lot in advanced technology such as how to use AI and ChatGPT. The Aditya Kachave sir helps me a lot in learning various AI tools and helped me a lot to learn very new things like Merlin, importance of Merlin, and also he told me many more things. I can now create a song within few minutes and on anybody. I can create a song on anybody within few minutes. And also he helped me a lot. Last time I took his session Be10x session and it helps me a lot. It make me unique in my college. With the help of this, I can make PPTs within few seconds. But in that time, last session, I missed few points of last hours, due to which I again joined this session. The sessions are really very interesting. Hope so. You will also enjoy. So if you are interested, then you can buy also. It is just 9 to 10 rupees cost. Just 9 to 10 rupees. You can easily buy it. So hope so you will learn a lot of things and it will make a unique person in your college or in your class. That's all. Thank you.